Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be trying to find a product to sell on Amazon in 10 minutes. I have set a timer on my phone and I just thought it would be a fun little challenge. There's not much point to it, but if you want to watch it, it should be entertaining. It's going to be a little personal challenge. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe, but without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to move over into my computer. I am on Google. I will not be starting with anything loaded. I thought this would be really fun because it would give me a chance to show you really what would be my most effective way of doing product research. I'm forced to show you what's my most effective way. If I'm gonna do it in 10 minutes, I can't do just a way that I wouldn't normally use. So I'm really gonna be going straight to what I would be doing to find new products. This is really a relevant topic for me because we just got out of our shipping ban and my whole plan this year was kind of skewed to launch a lot more products than I currently have, but it's been okay. It's been giving me more time to focus on what I'm doing now and keep up with the production of a currently really well-selling product. So anyway, let's jump into it. We have this going here and go. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. I may not be able to talk as good as I normally do and explain everything I'm doing. So you might just have to look along, watch along and see what I'm doing here and try and guess, I guess, what I'm doing. So we'll go 10, I wanna go 10 to 20. If I can only have 10 minutes to find something, I definitely don't want to find anything that's gonna be too expensive to launch. Let me know down in the comments down below if you'd be interested in seeing me do one of these where I actually do end up launching it. That would be really funny. Find something in 10 minutes and you have to commit to launching it. That'd be really good for holding you accountable. I probably wouldn't do anything too crazy, but you know, maybe we could get it done. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do something like, I do my age, let's go 8, and then we'll go keyword search. Let's do, okay, I'm not gonna do a keyword search. Let's just go. I can't waste too much time setting this up. I've already got a minute off the clock. I gotta start looking through here. I'm gonna instantly sort by reviews here. I wanna see the low reviews. Here we go. I wanna see what's new, what's selling really well right now. Just for an up and coming market. Maybe I'll jump ahead 3 pages just to get rid of some of these things here. I don't wanna see a lot of these masks. These are not gonna be good products to sell. These are very trendy. Don't really have much longevity, I hope. I hope they don't have longevity. Hopefully we could get rid of the freaking swarms of masks being sold. So we're gonna just keep looking through here. Maybe going by reviews wasn't the most effective thing to do. Let's do this. We're gonna exclude keywords, mask, filter, N95. Okay, we're gonna research this. And we're not gonna do sort by default. Okay, fine. Cool. So really all I'm trying to do here is I'm just trying to get a main idea really quickly. I'm looking through here very quickly because I can see a lot of what these are and I'm not liking them too much. Let me get rid of health and household. Do I have that on? No, I don't. It's arts, crafts, and sewing that's showing all that stuff. Oh my god, stop showing me masks already. Way too many masks. This is like a joke. It's like the universe playing a joke on me because what I excluded those keywords. What's wrong with this? I didn't do anything wrong here. Let me see. No, we're wasting precious time. Wasting absolutely precious time. 7500. Everything looks fine when we go like this. There we go. Okay, we have literally wasted 4 minutes. So I don't know how much time I'm gonna dedicate to this. Hopefully you guys like seeing me in pain and this is a good video. I'm really just trying to get like a good lead idea. Okay, nice butt bathroom decor. That'll work for me. That's totally fine. Okay, nice butt bathroom decor. This is good because there's an indication that the customer is already looking for something that says nice butt, so we can just put it on something else. And now I'm gonna go back to Helium 10, I'm gonna go to Magnet, and I just wanna confirm how many searches there were because I actually exited out of Black Box before I saw. That is me practicing what I preach because I always say make sure you look at how much search volume something has before you ever consider selling it. So we're just simply going to see if there is actually search volume for that. There is 1.8. That's totally fine. That's enough for me. That's plenty. That's fantastic, actually. for something super niche like this. So it looks like a lot of it is just like little decor boxes for behind the toilet. But I was thinking maybe like, what if you have something that like holds the toilet paper? This is really funny. I've seen that before. Would poop here again. I don't know why I laugh at that. A sign. Okay, so all I'm doing, I'm just really doing my scroll test here. I want to look through here and see if there's any way to find something that people are touching on that hasn't really been done yet. What I've noticed that's a really big opportunity here is that a lot of these are very specific wood tones. And in decor, I'm personally launching a decor brand right now. Started with macrame shelf, it's gonna go blow up to be a lot more than that. You have to understand that wood tones are something that's very subjective. So a lot of people aren't gonna like this darker wood tone. I personally don't love it. I don't see a bamboo one, and I see this white rustic one that's like this farmhouse style. Farmhouse is really good. I would imagine this is one of the best ones right here. Now that I've kind of gotten a good idea of what everyone's doing, we're 50% through with this time limit of 10 minutes here. I do want to go see if there's anyone with low reviews doing really well. So there's this person here with 93 reviews. They're doing really well, and they are selling a two-sided version. That's a really good idea, so people can change it, get naked and nice butt. And there's one with 13 reviews doing 4K. It looks like it's really kind of dominated up here. I don't know if that's true. They're saying that they're doing 500,000 in sales up there. It looks like things are, okay, here's a good one. Okay, so this metal sign, it is a sign and it's not something that you put behind your toilet. Okay, so there's something, maybe people don't even want to put something on the back of their toilet, so we could lead towards a sign, and then maybe we do like a bamboo sign. Okay, I think that works quite well. Another thing that I want to do, I don't want to spend too much time just looking at this idea. I want to simply look at someone who just launched this product and is doing well. They're doing well. I want to go see what else they're doing, because if they're launching things and they're doing well, that means that they're successful at launching things. That means that we could probably bet on them having launched more than one thing successfully. And they have 155 product ideas, and they do seem to be all private label products, which is fantastic. So I'm going to simply go through here. I'm going to open up X-Ray on this page. This is going to show me all the product ideas on this page, and then I'm just going to sort by revenue. I want to see all their highest revenue first. What is this? 7,000. So that's just a tennis ball. I don't love any of this. What is this? 3,000. Okay, that's that thing. Let's load more results here. So now we're going to be actually looking at the second page. Okay, that's not working. Okay, we don't have time for that. We're going to click to second page and see what else they're selling. We have 3 minutes left, so we really have to come up with something here. But I just do want to show you, even if we don't find anything, I never promised I would. This isn't the one yet where we launch what I find here, so thank God. I'm actually okay with the original idea we found, that nice butt bathroom decor. I think we could do this probably pretty successfully. There is some review loyalty here. So let me spend the last 2 minutes trying to broaden what I get to look at here. I'm gonna just go really, let me do like 1.2. Well, that doesn't make sense. I do it like that. And then I'm just gonna like go all in on home and kitchen. And then I'm going to do a price of 12 to 29. And then I'm gonna do a review count of a maximum of 50. I wanna go only really low products here. I wanted to do keywords. Wow, that was a waste of time. Hang on, okay, here we go. Monthly revenue minimum of 7,500, and we want a price of 12 to, here we go, 38, just so I see more things. 34, that's fine. Review count 50. I have 2 minutes left. Okay, that's fine. Let's just do that. And categories, we'll go all in on home kitchen like we said we were going to do. Let's go ahead and look. Maybe I could pull something off here in the final countdown. Chanel canvas wall art. Okay, this is looking better. Already this is looking a lot better. Window kit for portable AC, that's going to be seasonal. Cactus wallpaper. Okay, let's see. This looks, okay, this is all we got. We only got that many options. Okay, we need more categories. Hang on, go like this. There we go. Switch. Go from 16, we got a minute 40 left. Okay, there's 200. Oh, geez, the masks again. What category was the masks in? Tools and home improvement? Okay, yeah, that's where they are. Why are they in there? Home improvement for your face, I guess. Okay, this is really hard. This is really hard. Woven plant basket. Okay, phenomenal. Let's go check that out. I really don't have time. That's kind of on point with my brand too. I sell woven things. I've seen these before. I don't like them. There's a lot. As you can see, as I'm scrolling through here, there's just a ton of different variations, ton of competition. One of the main questions I like to ask myself is, does this customer already have enough options? In this case, they do. Let's do this, nice butt, and then just see what comes up. Nice butt decor box, nice butt sign, nice butt toilet paper holder. That's what I said. There's no toilet paper holder. Okay. Is that the thing that goes behind the thing? Yeah, because how would you get, I guess that's also the decor box. Because like, how would you put it? You'd have to print it on the holder. That doesn't make any sense. So, I mean, this was a lot harder than I thought, but we did find something. I think if I had to do this is what I would do. I would do this product. I would do the decor box version. So we go nice butt, bathroom decor box. I would do this product, and then I would do a bamboo version of this product. I would simply do some kind of print on this in bamboo. It's a really common theme in modern apartments. We have 10 seconds left, by the way. So I think we've landed on what we want here. I would do bamboo. I actually have bamboo flooring in my townhouse here. And, oh, wow, that's so loud. Stop. Okay, that's it. That's what we're gonna do. So at least I didn't actually have to sell this one this time. I think that was a pretty good start. We landed on this product. I think I could have done better. 10 minutes was really tough. If I think I'd given myself twice as much time, 20 minutes, I could have found something that I actually would have been super happy to sell. But hey, I think the point here was it's very easy to procrastinate, even just saying that you can't find anything. So this is not a horrible idea. There are sellers with low reviews making 4K a month in revenue. If that's 50% margin, I'll take it. I'm not too stingy when it comes to how much my product needs to make to be able to sell it, because I could do a test order for very few of these and get it going. And that's something I've personally been pushing myself to be more accountable with too, is not just doing product research every day, but what is your ratio of products you're actually launching out of those things that you're finding. So that's gonna do it for today's video. Just something a little bit more fun, a little bit more light, not so serious. Sometimes this is a fun video to make. Just a bit of a challenge here. So if you like watching, again, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I'll be seeing you here on the channel tomorrow for another video. Thanks so much. Later.